Woodpecker is focused on dominating the woodworking industry with the highest quality tools. It's why they continually manufacture tools and accessories that are second to none. So now, let's take a look at the 10 new, amazing Woodpecker tools for woodworking. This is Woodpecker's all-new 4590 Combo T that turns all-size woodworking rules into a T-square. However, you can press the locking button and rotate the head until it gets the perfect 45-degree angle. This Combo T allows you to lay out octagons and 45-degree miters of a maximum of 49.5 inches long. Cool! The best part of this tool is you can assemble it with some simple steps. Just thread 2 flathead screws and pull the head into alignment. It also gives you a perfect in reference when measuring. After completing the job, you can easily hang it with the wall-mountable bracket and get quick access when in need. Okay, have you ever struggled with drilling and ended up with imprecise results? Count on this Woodpecker's AutoLine drill guide to get the drill press accuracy anywhere, anytime. First, you can adjust the collar to limit the travel and the whole drill guide in many ways. This drill guide supports any standard drill driver. Thanks to its different setting options, you can go through various drilling types without fencing. Wait, a built-in Allen key lets you remove the rods when in need? Get perfect perpendicular holes wherever you need, whenever you want. These M2 box clamps will make you feel like you have an extra hand on the site. Yep, they simply glue up any 90-degree joint quickly while keeping your joint square. Plus, these clamps provide ample torque to accurately tight the joints. Now, you can secure every joint with a twist of the knob or a turn of the hex key. With 3 standard stock thickness dimensions, you can take on any project with complete confidence. Finally, the unique design of this M2 box clamp offers easy drilling and screwing on every job. No matter what machinery you're working with, a high-visibility pencil marking tool is a must. This tool you see here provides you with the best outcomes of a marking gauge and a panel marking gauge. You'll get 2 types of marking gauges out there. One is the red anodized aluminum beam or a robust stainless steel beam. With the large fences, this tool offers great control and more precise markings. There's more. If your project needs metric measurements, you'll also get the available metric scales from the gauges. So now get both wheel knife marking and mechanical pencil marking with the same tool hand. Next tool worth mentioning is the Woodpecker AutoAngle drilling table. This tool will be a blessing to those who strive to bring accuracy to their angle drilling projects. Yep. It provides solid support to drilling at any angle between 0 and 90 degrees. Thanks to its stainless steel quadrants on both sides and tight, tolerant hinges at the end, you'll get strong support for every job. And the fully adjustable fence lets you set any angle from perfect parallel to death square. It seems that drilling traditionally is a thing of the past now, don't you agree? This thing over here isn't a tool, it's a whole system. Meet Woodpecker's Deluxe Trammel system that takes your regular Trammel concept to a level never seen before. It starts with 12, 24, and 36-inch laser engraved beams with both imperial and metric scales. The 2 sliding clamps ensure precise placement on the scale, and the female threaded holes allow you to connect 5 different attachments. And the pencil adjustment is so simple to do. Now you can easily draw small to large circles, maintaining high accuracy every time. Oh, you can strike straight lines too. If your woodworking project takes you to the toughest job site, you need this Bulletproof Square from Woodpecker. Surprisingly enough, this square withstands rough weather and harsh conditions with its ultra-strong, glass fiber reinforced composite construction. The wide engraving on the blade is clear and easy to read. This 1283 square also features a lip that lets you keep the beam flat on the stock without holding it. Want to know a cool part? The inside corner of this tool comes with a notched design, so the scribing lines will always go right to the edge. Keeping every project dust-free and enjoyable is easy with this FullThrottle blast gate. How? Well, it offers several unique advantages over traditional sliding valves. It also turns perpendicular to the airflow instead of sliding sideways. All you need to do is just a smooth path, and there'll be no turbulence. Every 4-inch dust collection hose easily gets clamped with this blast gate. Know a secret? You'll get the FullThrottle blast gate in inline and surface mount models to meet every need of small shops with 4-inch ducting. Let your projects keep you cool. This universal cross dowel jig will expand your possibilities when drilling. Get rid of all the frustration while drilling cross tile with this Woodpecker Dowel Jig. It perfectly aligns the cross dowel and bolt holes on the same center line. This tool comes with the most common cross dowel sizes on the market, so you can easily deal with multiple tasks. With adjustable dowel and bolt hole positions, it lets you bring many joint styles. No more extra holes on your work surface. Every woodworker will love this tool because it allows you to get more turning from less stock. This is the Ultra Shear Parting Tool CI that lets you cut efficiently for a long period of time without needing to be sharpened. And the best part of this tool is it has razor-edged nano-grain carbide inserts that improve the way you have done turning before. Oh, you can replace it easily in seconds. Worried about the popping out inserts? Here's the twist. The holder has a dimple that grips the inserts firmly and prevents all the chances of pop-out. It's time to get complete confidence over all the cuts. So, that was the list of the 10 new amazing Woodpecker's tools for woodworking Part 2. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.